I play the
You got your
winner.
weight though, ain't it?
Yeah, like one.
Like one.
And I gotta play the winner of this, I think.
I got here at like 10 maybe, thinking that we were gonna be like setting up and doing all this stuff. Stream didn't get here till like 2. So I'm just like waiting around. Like,
Then it took forever to set it up.
Right.
Or get
so
it
many
working.
technical difficulties. Alright, so we got a Martha's, man.
Oh my god.
Worth it though, dude.
Yeah.
Like,
So I'm gonna guess Axe is the white Marth.
I'm gonna hope so.
He seems to be going in.
Even if you kill yourself doing something like that, dude, that's like mental game.
Yeah.
Like you just tore into their psyche.
Yeah, for real. Oh, here we go. Oh! And he takes the lead. What's his name? Gwyn?
Gwyn, yeah, Gwyn.
Double dip? No.
I love when people try to go for the reverse up. What is that, the dolphin?
Yeah,
slash?
the dolphin slash. He can live. He should have side B stalled.
Yeah, he would have got back.
And you know, we play PM, then we just see a bunch of melee characters. Is he dead?
He might be, dude. That was some.
Holy moly.
I think he's DI'd that.
Wait.
horribly.
Okay, so
I mean, the ports are.
who's?
Right.
Yeah,
The
who
ports
is
are
who?
right, dude.
Okay.
The ports are right.
Alright, let's make it sure.
That was the second time I checked too. I had to make sure. Like.
Yeah. All right, Gwyn putting in work then. But now it's back even. I mean, if he get one more kill, and he's golden. Oh no, don't DI in.
That's rough.
Yeah. That was actually a super quick match.
If there's no line, yeah. Well, I mean, like, all these people are waiting around. They're probably, like, forming an unofficial line to be on stream. Yeah, so, I mean, like, if you could squeeze in there, you know. That's kind of weird. He came over here and was, like, picking at people's food. He grabbed somebody's controller. He was like, $5.
Yeah.
It's like, I'll give you $5 for this.
I think tomorrow we need to keep it better organized over here.
Oh yeah. Well, it was chaos to begin with, man.
Yeah,
Like,
it was.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll definitely have to like box people out.
Yeah. It's super packed in here though too.
Yeah.
And nasty
we got this
outside.
Nice, like, we got this nice like L-shaped
Yeah,
like,
blocking
like
us off.
office desk, man. All right, so game 2.
Green Hill. Makes sense. Kind of like FD a little bit.
Yeah, it's baby FD.
Yeah.
It's like grade school FD.
Oh. He's DIing in. That's going to be a king combo every
gotta
time.
Learn, man.
Yeah.
Never.
Oh, he got a force smash right there. Oh my god. At least they're playing fast.
Holding it. Like, even though he's DIing this stuff like awful,
Yeah.
he was putting in work last night.
He was. Oh no. Axe just seems like he's throwing out every aerial, and it's working.
Just like spin the stick.
Yeah. Oh.
That's rough seeing those. You feel it, like
Yeah.
the bass comes through the headset and just like goes through your body. Like,
That's the one thing I like about watching good melee players play PM.
yeah.
You can see like how fast they actually play when they play PM. 'Cause
Yeah.
it seems like all their characters are moving super fast in PM. I'm I mean, Gwyn's still not doing too bad right now.
Oh, no, it's still like, we could take it easy. Well, not really, but.
Yeah, he's got to swing his sword a little bit, though.
Theoretically, he can even it up.
Yeah. Oh, my God. I actually don't remember the last time he actually did a move.
Yeah, he's just been getting carried. Like left to right, to
Yeah.
left to right.
He's doing some good dash dancing, but didn't get too much out of it. Oh, there we go.
All right.
This is at Magical 69.
He had the power for a second. He's like, I know what I must do.
Yeah. Good grab. Oh.
Oh.
Axe going for some
He's
fancy
going-
stuff.
He's going hard, dude.
He is.
wants something crazy.
Uh-oh. The reverse bear to bear.
That was beautiful.